Spike Chunsoft has crafted an almost perfect game, but some PC gamers are facing major performance issues. Let's dive into how you can fix them. Check for driver updates. Nvidia users should use GeForce Experience, while AMD users should check AMD Adrenalin Edition software. After updating your drivers, restart your PC and see if the game runs better. If the problem persists, verify the integrity of your game files through Steam. Do this by right-clicking your game in your Steam library and selecting Properties, then Installed Files, then Verify Game Files. Switching the DirectX version might also help. Ensure Steam is running the game on DirectX 12 by adjusting the launch options. Do it by typing DX12 in the launch options box. Close unnecessary background apps to free up resources and improve game performance, and disable app overlays to avoid unnecessary crashes and lag. This simple step can make a big difference. Disable app overlays to avoid unnecessary crashes and lag. This simple step can make a big difference. Finally, tweak your graphics settings and enable the game through your firewall to ensure your CPU and GPU aren't overwhelmed. Stay tuned for more Dragon Ball Sparking Zero guides on Sportskeeda.